Okay, so there are some things happening. Like, there's a blizzard happening tonight, and by tomorrow morning, 7 o'clock my time, or Midwest time, we're supposed to have 12 to 18 inches of snow. So, it's kind of bad. But it's the first blizzard we've had here in a long time, because we haven't had one since I was, like, in 1st or 2nd grade. And I don't think it's going to be fun to shovel a driveway tomorrow morning with that much snow, especially if ice under it. And also, since there's like tiny, oh yeah, it's even freezing raining outside. So, people wish me good luck in surviving this, and hope that my power doesn't go out. Because it happened to us last year, and it was kind of cold. And, yeah, blizzard at night. Yeah, that's what Dad wanted.